The Nunavut legislature has wrapped up the first full week of the current sitting, and the pending changes and possible cancellation of the Inuit Child First Policy is something that came up over and over again. TJ Dhir takes us through what happened this week.
One of the big topics discussed was the Inuit Child First initiative, which is set to end on March 31st. Health Minister John Main said there's a connection between eating unhealthy food and poor physical and mental health.
The food supports through Inuit Child First initiative are helping to reduce these challenges, and I believe are helping to achieve better health outcomes.
Iqaluit MLA Mary Kalikti also spoke about it.
It's been a lot of comfort and has been very positive for families, and no doubt having lots of benefits to our communities in the Arctic.
Iqaluit Manahayak MLA Adam Ahiak Lightstone asked Premier PJ Akiakok about it.
I'd like to ask, for the benefit of the public, if the Premier would stand and commit to Nunavut and this House that he will continue to advocate, especially for the nutrition-related supports that are currently covered under Indigenous Services Canada.
I tasked my team to consider drafting a letter as well in our advocacy and our continued push to talk about the importance of the program on behalf of Nunavut.
Another big topic was the 5 vans to help elders get around. Akiakok said they're still not in use. The Premier said their contract with the operating company did not have an operational deadline.
The agreement was just for the purchase of those vans within the timeframes that are referenced.
The Premier also said the operator is seeking federal funds to get the vans operational. Arviat South MLA Joe Savikatak later said the usual process for rolling out a new program didn't seem to be followed.
It just seems like it's been a $1 million photo op, and the government is trying to wash their hands away from it.
The operating budget for the Department of Health, worth more than $580 million, was approved today during Committee of the Whole. The winter sitting of the legislature will continue next week. TJ Dhir, CBC News, iqaluit.